Here are 10 lessons that I've learned in 10 years of working in Big Four consulting, hyper growing tech, founding 2 startups, and now still working full time in tech while balancing a number of growing side hustles. Let's go. Number 1, do work that you don't enjoy. Number 2, what's hard now will be easier later. Number 3, take off that time. You deserve it, you've earned it. Nothing will collapse because you take a few weeks off. Number 4, create a career narrative. Don't just build a list of skills and jobs. Build a story around exactly why you've done every single thing that it is that you've done, even if that includes taking a break. Number 5, apply for new opportunities at companies you admire or people you admire and look up to. Don't just apply for job listings. Number 6, teach others how to respect your time. Number 7, seek diverse opinions. There is usually never just a black and white. And if you still have a different one, that's totally fine. Number 8, I love this one. Climb the career jungle gym, not the ladder. Number 9, be an ally to anyone who needs you to be. And number 10, almost back to where we started, just do what it is that you want to do. We make our careers sound so formulated and like a statistics calculation that if you make one wrong move that it's going to make or break your career. In reality, it's not. It's actually going to make you way more well-rounded, probably make you way happier because you tried something you wanted to. So just do that thing that you want to do. Don't worry about how this is going to look on your CV or what will people ask you at your next interview. You can tell that narrative later. Just do it.